Today, let's talk about making real friends. Now, because I ran for student council in my first year, I knew a ton of people. I remember playing this game with my roommate where we'll walk along the main campus and we'll see how many people we know. And I would always win. I'm not trying to exaggerate, but I would run out of breath trying to say hi to all the people I know. It was crazy. But I still felt really lonely. I asked myself one simple question. If I ever got into trouble, who can I actually call who would actually come to my rescue? I couldn't answer that question. I realized that my entire first year in university involved me trying to please everyone, staying close to the negative people, and being friends with the people who would shut me down all the time. I knew I had to change something or I'll have the worst university experience of my life. And it started with me. I just needed to be myself and let my personality shine. It was scary, but it worked. I started to filter out the negative people and really surrounded myself with the people who truly accepted me for who I am. I found the secret to making real friends. Being myself. And sure, I may not have as many friends that I used to, but I'd rather have 10 people who would have my back than 50 people who bail on me when it matters. Now remember, you are going to meet a ton of people from all walks of life here in university. Meet people, say hi, make friends, but be sure to make real friends. And be yourself. Trust me, there will be people who despise you for who you are, but the people that like you, they really do. And I think that makes it all worth it. Now, if this video was of value to you, make sure you share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe to Apologue, the platform helping you challenge mediocrity one story at a time. My name is James Lau, and I'll see you in the next one.